Understanding, on one hand, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, on one hand. This phrase is often used in conversations and writing, and understanding how to use it correctly can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in. On one hand is a phrase used to present one side of an argument or one aspect of a situation. It's often followed by, on the other hand, which introduces a contrasting point or a different perspective. Think of it as a way of weighing two different views or options, much like the two sides of a scale. When using, on one hand, it's important to balance it with a contrasting point. For example, on one hand, I enjoy living in the city because of the convenience. On the other hand, I miss the tranquility of the countryside. This structure helps in discussing pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages, or just different viewpoints. One common mistake is using, on one hand, without a contrasting statement. Remember, on the other hand, is essential to complete the thought. Also, be sure not to overuse this phrase in your writing or speech, as it can become repetitive. There are variations like, on the one hand. The meaning remains the same, and the choice depends on personal or regional preference. For instance, on the one hand, technology has made life easier. On the other hand, it has led to certain social challenges. I hope this video helps you understand and use, on one hand, effectively in your English conversations and writing. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.